where we left off last was doing multi-view drawings. If you haven't got those completed, I would suggest that you do those first thing. For today, we are going to start learning about text. So if we go to our Canvas page and we go to Autocad Annotation Text and click. Once we are on the Autocad Annotation Text page, at the very top you will see that you have some new reading material. It's on Chapter 4, Text, M-Text, Editing, and Style, pages 97 through 116. Right here where it says Learning Material, that's where the instructional video for annotation will be located here. Over to the right are the objectives for this section and your previous assignments that you need to get completed if you haven't. The rest of the page has some basic information on what I'm going to cover today, and then at the bottom you will find your AutoCAD annotation text assignment and the review questions associated with this assignment. So now we are ready to open our AutoCAD. Again, I will continue to be walking you through the steps on how to get into AutoCAD and get started. So again, we're going to go down to the Windows icon and we are going to go to AutoCAD 2020. And you're going to select that. Once you are in AutoCAD, we are going to go to the big red A or the application menu and we are going to go to New. Again, we are going to pick a template file that's already in here, the acad.dwt. Template files end in .dwt, AutoCAD files end in .dwg. Our template currently does not house anything in it. Templates typically have things such as textiles, layers, blocks, other items that are preset that make it a lot easier when we start a new drawing. But we haven't really learned how to set up our template yet, as we're still just learning AutoCAD. So we will continue to do this process until the day we are ready to actually set up our template. So we're going to say open. First thing I want to do is close my grid. The second thing that I want to do is I want to type in Dyn mode. And I want to make sure that my value is at 0. Some of you, I believe, have encountered not turning off your Dyn mode and how it can cause you some headaches. So again, I highly suggest at this point that you turn it off. And once you become a much better user of AutoCAD, then you are welcome to use Dyn mode. To save yourself some headaches, I would make sure that that is off and then just hit enter. The next thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and save my drawing. So again, I will tell you where to save your drawings, what to name your drawings, and you should do that. So I'm just going to place mine in here and replace one of my previous drawings. The next thing I need to do is I need to set up my units. So I'm going to go to Drawing Utilities and I'm going to pick Units, or I can type in Units, doesn't matter. I will typically tell you the units to set, and I will tell you the precision that you need to set your drawings to. So if I tell you 0.00, then you would select this one. You need to set your precision according to the assignment. The other thing I like to do under the A is I like to go to my options. And the first thing I want to do is make sure that my autosave is on. And it is, and it's set for the 5 minutes that I had set it for originally. The other thing is I like to check my crosshair, and I like to have that at 100. The next thing we need to do is set up our layers. So we're going to go in and we're going to create a couple of layers. I'm going to create one called my object layer, and I'm going to make it green, and I'm going to say okay. And then I'm going to just create another layer called hatch and make it cyan, and they're both going to be continuous line type. And again, I would come over here in my description and fill in that information, and the same for my hatch. I would fill in hatch and fill patterns. You will need to create the remainder of the layers per the assignment directions. And I'm going to make my object layer the current layer for right now, and I'm going to close my layer dialog box. So I am now ready to start drawing. In the next video, we will get started learning about AutoCAD annotation text.